Greetings, it is Friday, March 26, 2021 is the year. I added one more thing here onto the frame, a handout like freebie sticker at circ desk counters. That's the Public Library. Says, I love the library. A lot of different things attached to the frame here. Try to make this short, under 2 minutes, get more viewers. Sightseeing with Dignity, Tolerance, Education, and Human Rights Arts Therapies Artwork 45. The allegorical gun rights, terrorism attack, gun genocide, sea monster, and terrorist attack victim Wanda Walters, age 61, who is a library circulation services assistant at a public library in New Mexico. She and a 49-year-old librarian were both shot to death. 3 patrons and 1 other staff person were shot and survived. The rod is from an old discarded wood library card catalog holder, you know, that had the index cards, kind of look like the front of this, which is when I bought this wood box that had a mirror in it, and I decided, oh, this would be really good for doing a memorial drawing to one of the library staff who were murdered in that terrorism attack in New Mexico in 2017. All right, I'm at 2 minutes, 4 seconds here, just a reflection from outside. This is from a discarded Queensboro Public Library, Queensville Branch 33 RPM record, which I bought from a sale table when I was visiting my mother, who worked as a librarian. She was a librarian at Queensboro Public Library for many years. There's from an old Seattle Public Library due date card, pre-computer, pre-self-checkout years in the early 1980s, where I myself was a circ desk employee for 29 years at Seattle Public. All right, there you have it.